Hi everyone, I am excited to bring you in this video another brand that I do not see talked about anywhere on YouTube or in the beauty community, so I want to give it some exposure and let you know my thoughts. The brand is called GADE Cosmetics. It is spelled G-A-D-E, but I believe it's pronounced Jade. And in reading through their About Us section, it looks like this is a brand that originated in Israel, which I think is super cool, and is now expanded and is available in many countries worldwide, like the United States and Australia. The brand describes itself as one that provides premium beauty products at affordable prices. They also sell, in addition to cosmetics and makeup, they have things like perfumes and I think maybe skincare. In this video, they were kind enough to send a handful of their makeup items, so that is what I will be talking about. This look is created using the products that they sent along, so if you are intrigued or interested, then keep watching. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel by hitting that red subscribe button and follow Allura Beauty on Instagram. The username is in the description box below. I will put all the information for Jade Cosmetics, like their website, any sort of promotions that they may be running at this time for you to check out too, as well as a link to eBay so that if you do any online shopping, you can get some cash back on your order. Oh, and of course, if you haven't checked out the latest video, I will link it for you in the upper right-hand corner to check out. Oh, and a couple other things before we look at the actual products. The website says that Super Brands, which is an independent global arbiter, named Jade Cosmetics Brand of the Year in 2017. And in terms of their environmental stance and animal testing stance, it says that they use recyclable and biodegradable packaging materials and that they avoid animal testing. That's as far as it seems to be saying that they do not do animal testing, although I don't necessarily see like a PETA stamp on the site or anything like that. I will show you the products in the order of how I applied them to my face. The first thing I used was their Velveteen eyeshadow palette. This is the box here, and this is the actual compact. So you can see right away that it definitely has a sleek and luxurious feel to it. It reminds me very much of like a Dior kind of design and simplistic, luxurious packaging. So the specific palette that I received is 51 #like4like. And what I am amazed by is that it looks like on the website, these are on sale currently for $17.50, which really blows my mind given how much I enjoyed using this palette. And to be really frank, when I initially looked at the palette, I can't say that I was super impressed just because personally of the shades that I typically use. The lots of burgundies and more reddish copper tones are not ones that I usually find look good on my face. But I did dive in and I created this look, which on its final appearance, you can see is pretty much very like reddish toned, burgundy toned, and pink. But I love this look and I'm really surprised. When it comes to the formula of these, I was also very impressed. The mattes blended in super well, super easily. I did not take a lot of time to create this look. It was, I would say, less than 10 minutes to do the eye look, including mascara and eyeliner and all that kind of stuff. These eyeshadows are very effortless to use. And the final look just looks, I think, very cohesive. And I've really been enjoying wearing this. All of that said, on top of that, for the palette to cost less than $20 really is another impressive thing to me. Now, of course, the non-sale price is $25, but even then, if this were at full price, the $25 price point would surprise me still. I definitely think that the quality of the packaging, you get a full-size mirror inside, the number of shadows that you get, the quality of the shadow, all warrant a $25 price point and definitely a $17.50 price point. As much as I was impressed by the eyeshadow palette after using it and testing it out, I will have to say that I think this next product is my favorite thing. And again, you have this very sleek and simplistic packaging. Now this is the Velveteen Hydrating Highlighter Stick, and this retails for $29, which I think is interesting compared to the $25 price point of the eyeshadow palette. So this one I think is definitely more expensive given what you are getting and what you typically would expect with different products. But the formula on this is something that I am in love with. It is in like a cream stick highlighter form factor, but it feels and moves like a gel on the skin. I sometimes find that cream and stick highlighters are a bit difficult to blend out. They are a bit stiff. That is not the case with this product. It applies and blends out beautifully. It gives you this wonderful sheen, but also becomes one with the skin, which is something that I always look for in my highlighting products. Oh, and the shade is Eternal Glow. It has a cooling sensation when you are applying it on the skin, so I can see why, given the gel consistency, they call it a hydrating highlighter stick. And lastly, they sent along 3 of their lip products. The first one I tested out was the Idyllic Matte Lip Color. This normally retails for $18. It looks like it's currently reduced to $12.50. There are lots of different shades you can choose from. They do dry down to a matte finish. I wouldn't call it super hydrating, but I also did not find that it was super pruning to the lips. And it's definitely good pigmentation and good color. Oh, and there also is some sort of scent to it. I want to say it's a vanilla-y scent, but I'm really not great with describing scents most of the time. There's just a scent to it and you may notice it when you apply. Next up is the Crystal Lights Lip Gloss. And again, there are several shades of these. They're normally on sale for $20. You can see that it lights up there. It's on sale right now for $14. There's also a mirror on the side there for on-the-go application. This gloss has a super high glittery shine to it, but I didn't feel any of the glitter or shimmer or grit when I applied and when it was on my lips. And it does have a nice moisturizing formula without feeling extra gloopy or sticky. It does have body to the formula, so it's not super thin. It's not featherweight or weightless. So you do know that it's on the lips, but it's not tacky or sticky or heavy. And last is the Velveteen Pure Matte Lipstick, which is what I am wearing for this video. Again, comes in many shades, retails for $19. Of the 3 lip products, this is my favorite. It has a almost gloss or balm-like formula. I would say it's a hybrid between a lipstick and a gloss balm formula, and it feels almost gel-like on the lips. So it means it's super moisturizing. It feels pretty weightless. I don't feel like I am being reminded constantly that I have something on my lips. It is very easy to wear. It has a more semi-opaque translucence or density to it, which I really love because it makes it effortless to apply, to wear, and it is very easy to fit in with any sort of look that you are wearing. It's just really a pleasure to wear this formula, and I do really love this kind of baby-ish pink shade, but because of the translucence, it looks more nudie. Again, just really seamlessly goes in with the look. So those are the items that I actually got to test out in person that Jade sent along. I am very excited about this brand. There's a ton more stuff that they have to offer. I would personally love to try out some of their highlighters. They look very intriguing, and I mean powder highlighters because I got to try out the gel one, but their powder highlighters look very, very cool. They do also have base products like liquid foundations and powder foundations, including a powder foundation that has an SPF of 25, which I think is great. And of course, I would really like to try some of their blushes too. But their offerings run the gamut from colorful eyeliners, mascaras, everything in between. So go ahead and check out their website. Again, I will link it in the description box below for you to see if you are intrigued or interested at all. And I think that the brand's claim is absolutely true, that these are luxurious quality products at very affordable prices. I definitely think the brand could get away with selling these products for a much higher dollar amount, and it's really nice that they are offering them at a more affordable price point. Please let me know what thoughts you have in the description box below. Do you like this look? What seems to be the product that you would be most attracted to? Or if I haven't shown it to you in this video and you've seen it on the website, which one are you most interested in? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you in the next one.